First things first, I want to thank you for joining my CCNP Video Boot Camp here on Udemy, the all-in-one course. I know you'll get a lot out of it, and also I want to show you exactly how to watch your free CCNA security course when you're ready for that. Now, you've likely already seen the navigation here, but in case you haven't, I do know this is a little off-center, but what I want to concentrate on is what you're seeing on the left, because when you're watching the videos, say, in a web browser, you will see this list of videos to the left, and you'll see each section listed. And since this is all in one, we're covering switch, route, and T-shoot. Switch is first, then under that you'll see the route section begin. Anytime you want to start watching the videos, just click on that and the drop down list appears. And then what you'll see after that, as you would expect, there's the entire BGP section, by the way, you'll see the T-shoot course come up after that. Now, the CCNA security course that I'm in the middle of creating for you right now, it's at the bottom of the entire list. It's going to appear under T-shoot. Now, the introductory section and a couple of other sections are already posted here. And today being July 20, 2017, the security course will be wrapped up over the next 60 days. And the thing is, if you're looking to do the security course first, or you want to do it now, I'm posting videos almost daily. I don't want to say there's one every single day, but I'm posting them almost every day until the course is totally done. I'm not holding them back until the entire course is done and then posting them. But I want to show you exactly where the security videos are. All the best in your CCNP studies as well, and thanks for making the Bryant Advantage and Udemy part of your CCNP success.